Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the phone and the magnifier. This is essential. First, clean the camera lens and the screen with a microfiber cloth to remove smudges that blur the effect. Then, attach the clip-on magnifier or unfold the built-in lens, lining up the alignment marks. This centers the magnifier over the camera. Once done, open the camera app, enable the grid and macro mode if available, and keep the phone steady. These actions improve focus and reduce distortion. Now align and focus precisely so the magnifier works. Move the phone slowly until the subject appears magnified and sharp. Typically, you'll be 1 to 3 inches from the object, so adjust distance in small increments. Use 2 hands or mount the phone on a small tripod to stop shake. Stability is crucial. Tap the screen to focus, then lock AE/AF when the image is clear, and fine-tune exposure with the slider so details are visible without highlights blowing out. Finish by capturing and reviewing images carefully. This completes the process. Take several shots while varying distance and angle so you can pick the sharpest one, and use in-camera burst if needed. Once done, crop or use built-in zoom for framing, but keep the original file to preserve detail for edits. If the image stays blurry, reclean the lens, realign the magnifier, or toggle macro versus normal mode. One of those fixes usually resolves focus or distortion issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.